They power millions of emails every day. But when it's Mailchimp versus Campaign Monitor, which one really delivers? On the left, Mailchimp, automation-packed, built to grow with you. And on the right, Campaign Monitor, elegant, simple, and perfect for beautiful newsletters. Let's skip the marketing jargon and see how these platforms actually stack up. Each round scores points, and by the end, you'll know exactly which platform comes out on top. And trust us, the winner in 2025 might surprise you. Let's lay it out with a quick mind map of everything we're going to break down. Pricing, because money matters. Automation, design and ease of use, integrations, reporting and analytics, e-commerce tools, and good old customer support. So starting with pricing. Mailchimp? Oh man, first, there's a free plan for up to 500 contacts, which honestly is a lifesaver if you're just testing things out or you're running something small. It's a pretty decent bang for your buck at entry level. But heads up, their prices can shoot up fast if you scale. And some of those fun features are locked away unless you pay up. Now, with Campaign Monitor, it's like you know exactly what you're getting. Super transparent, pay-as-you-go option. No sneaky surprises, which is kind of refreshing, but no free plan. Yep, you heard that right. And if you're stuck on a lower tier, just don't expect fancy automations. Subtle hint, the winner for pricing here actually tips toward Mailchimp. Next, automation. And honestly, this is where Mailchimp is like, hold my banana. You get super advanced automation journeys, behavioral triggers, and even conditional branching, which is wild if you want to geek out. But I'll say, setting up the really whiz-bang stuff, there's a bit of a learning curve. Now, Campaign Monitor gives you a visual journey builder, which is kind of cool, and it covers your basic time and event triggers. But if you're craving super custom workflows or ninja-level automation, you might feel a little limited. Mailchimp grabs the win for automation hands down. All right, let's talk design and ease of use. Mailchimp brings smart stuff like product recommendations in emails and cool dynamic content blocks. The editor is actually pretty nice for your basic stuff, but when you dive deeper, yeah, things get kind of complex and you might need a roadmap. I'm not kidding. Now, Campaign Monitor, this is where it's genuinely awesome. The templates are just beautiful. Seriously, you could send a newsletter that looks professional even if you're still wearing pajamas. Their drag and drop editor is so easy, and the interface feels super welcoming, especially if you're new to this whole email game. It's made with beginners in mind. Advanced users might find the tools a teensy bit simple, but for most people, total win. So, Campaign Monitor takes the crown here. Oh, and here's something cool I just found out. Did you know Mailchimp's monkey mascot is named Freddy? He's been sending fun emails since 2001. Pretty wild, right? Moving on, integrations and ecosystem. Okay, Mailchimp is just insane here. You get over 320 native integrations. Not just Zapier. Think Shopify, WooCommerce, a pretty solid API suite if you're into developer stuff. Some of those connectors do need a higher tier, but the list is long. Campaign Monitor, decent lineup at 107 integrations. It covers essentials like Shopify, Salesforce, and Zapier, and honestly, that should get most users by. It's clean, simple, but not quite Mailchimp level if you want options. Mailchimp wins for integrations, no contest. Next up, analytics and reporting. Mailchimp? You get a dashboard with everything crammed in. Detailed stats, revenue tracking, and you can even compare campaigns side by side. But not all of the juicy analytics show up unless you're paying for those bigger plans. With Campaign Monitor, it's all stripped back. You get clean, readable performance reports, tracking opens and clicks with zero confusion. Problem is, it's kind of basic. Mailchimp wins for folks who want deep analytics. How about e-commerce tools? Mailchimp, again, is kind of all in. You can literally build an online store right inside. Plus stuff like product retargeting, smart recommendations, even SMS and social ads. Only catch, some features are locked unless you're on higher plans. Campaign Monitor's not bad if you just need forms and some SMS options for marketing, but there's nothing for serious e-commerce automation. Mailchimp is the clear winner if you need those heavy-duty e-commerce tools. Last stop, customer support. Mailchimp has 24/7 email support, live chat, and a pretty responsive help center. But if you want phone support, that's only for premium plans. Campaign Monitor does offer nice email and in-app help, and support on paid plans is super responsive. But it's only during business hours. So late night crises, sorry, you're on your own. No round-the-clock chat either. Honestly, Mailchimp wins for overall support. Okay, let's zoom out and check our radar chart. Mailchimp crushes it on automation, integrations, reporting, and e-commerce, while Campaign Monitor shines for design and user-friendliness. You can really see where each tool's strengths pop. So, you know what? Here's my honest take. Mailchimp is the go-to for marketers who want muscle, clever automations, and plan to scale. Just keep an eye on rising costs. Campaign Monitor is perfect for anyone who just wants to create gorgeous, simple newsletters fast. So for powerhouse marketing, go Mailchimp. If stunning, easy newsletters are your thing, then Campaign Monitor is the winner. Found this useful? Subscribe for more deep dive comparisons. Stay ahead in email marketing.